Welcome back to Beyond the Bag. Today we are going to be making cold brew black tea. This is a super smooth, refreshing spin on black tea with some major advantages over steeping with hot water, but more on that later. Stay tuned to the end to see how it turns out. You can make cold brew tea in any sort of food-safe vessel. However, we are going to settle for a classic teapot. This one has a handy built-in infuser, and we are going to place that inside the teapot. Then we are going to add a generous amount of black tea. I am using a strong Assam black tea blend. I would use 20 to 30% more tea than if I were using hot water. This will make the tea a bit stronger to compensate for the milder flavor extraction of cold brew. We are then going to fill up the vessel with cold water and leave it in the fridge for at least 8 to 12 hours. Thanks to the magic of editing, we are going to jump ahead. Also, if you like my content and want to help me make more, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. I left this one in overnight, and as you can see, it has a beautiful, deep copper brown color. Let's see how it tastes. The result is stunning. Full, rich, earthy, and super smooth with almost no detectable bitterness. But how is this possible? Allow me to explain. As water temperature lowers, steeping time increases. Along with this, the types of compounds that are extracted from the tea change too. Chemically speaking, cold brew black tea is quite different from the same tea made with hot water. For starters, the cold water brings out far fewer tannins, which are the compounds responsible for bitterness in black tea. The cold water also helps the tea retain loads more antioxidants than tea steeped in hot water. The one other major difference is caffeine content. Cold brew black tea only contains about half the caffeine of its warmer counterparts. This can be good or bad based on your perspective. It might pack less of a caffeine punch, but it is easier on your stomach. Personally, I just see it as an excuse to enjoy more of it. You can cold brew any kind of tea, but I would recommend sticking with the stronger teas because the lighter teas will cold brew even lighter than they would normally. Let me know down in the comments below what tea you want to try cold brewing, and I'll see you next time. Cheers! Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our future videos. You can also find additional content on our social media and blog.